Hey guys, it is Mark Coe for Thursday, 16 November. Want to take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to be the topic in the room tomorrow. As you know, I'm concluding a 3-day open house here in the room, so Wednesday, Thursday, and then finally tomorrow, Friday. Each day we've had a topic, and tomorrow is Bitcoin. Couple exciting things today. We closed out a pound dollar model trade that closed for a profit of a little over $1,200. The stops are lowered on dollar yen shorts, so that's in the money. And couple bucks on E-minis, nothing too exciting there. We sold the E-minis and covered them at the open. So that's a quick rundown on the model. Model is positive so far for November, small but positive. Okay, here's what I want to talk about with Bitcoin. I want to take a look at why this is so exciting to me as a shorter term focus because of the volatility that exists. Think about the percentage moves in Bitcoin. If you relate it to something like the S&P. Now, when you're seeing 7, 8, 9, 10 percentage points in a day, that's like watching the S&P, which a lot of days it looks like paint drying. It's like watching the S&P trade from 2,500 to 2,250 or 2,300. So think about the opportunities that exist within that. It also, you have to understand the risks that come along with it, but you're happy to have the opportunity to be able to make some money, which is the good part. So from the standpoint of me and Bitcoin, here's what I want to focus on. I want to take you through this week's opportunities to the long side. And I want to first off talk about why it's a long side trade focus. So you know me, everything I do with levels is based on the longer term. So the idea of who's controlling the market, well, in Bitcoin, it's not hard to see. And if you followed any Bitcoin lately, you'll understand it's been a buy side market. This market has flown to the top side since September, right? We traded 3,000. We're close to 8,000 today. Edges, here's what I'm focused on. Bottom edges and the direction. Who's controlling the market? The buyers are controlling the market. So not until the sellers take out this 5,500 level will I consider it a sell side market. Therefore, the only trade I'm looking for is buy on dips at bottom edges. Now with that in mind, I'm going to take you to a shorter term trade and show you the opportunities that have been here just this week, November 13, 14, 15, and 16 today. So I just want to show you. Think about what it is I'm looking for. I'm looking for long trade only at edges and at what I deem to be acceleration points higher. So the first one comes off of a timing indicator I use. So now I'm using this in the room. It's a great little short-term tool. But what it basically means is when you get your count, you're looking for edges with the count. So here's opportunity number one. This is on Sunday evening going into Monday morning. Opportunity number one at 58.40 per coin. This then rotates up to almost 6,300. So you're talking $400 per coin. So now think of what that move looks like on a futures contract. Each futures contract is going to be 5 coins. So you're talking about a $2,000 move right there. So that's Monday morning, $2,000 move. Where's the next opportunity? Remember what I said, pullbacks to edges. Top edge creates what? A pullback to a former top edge, which is now bottom edge. Opportunity number two. 6,300 for a long. Where would you be looking for this to rotate? You'd be looking for 6,800s, right? And I'll talk about this in the class. I'll talk about this when I go over my Bitcoin strategies in the next couple weeks for all the subscribers. You'll get to see this. But I wanted to show you what the trades look like. So the difference is the volatility that's actually experienced here. This trade's 6,800 to 6,300 intraday. That's almost a 10% move. You're talking $500 on a $6,000 instrument, 8% move on a day. That's phenomenal. It's phenomenal volatility, and it's two-way action, right? A lot of times in markets now we see movement that goes one way and then just goes sideways, and there's no real opportunity for anything intraday. This is why this is so exciting. So trade number two on a Monday, longs at 6,300. Eventually rotates back to 6,500. That's $500 a coin. Times your 5 coins on a contract, that's a $2,500 move in Bitcoin. What's the next level I'd be looking at? A break through top edge, which you get here, pull back to that same edge. See the count? The long count, it's a timing indicator, right? So that in conjunction with the levels is money. That's what we want to be looking for. Longs at 6,800. Where do those rotate to? Top edge is put in at 7,200. Do you see what's going on with the volatility? This is over a 3-day period. That is a $1,600 move, right? That's a big move. Where's the next one? Same edge. Long trade. Do you see it? It's jumping out at you. Long trade. This is into this morning. 7,100. This rotates up where? The last edge we had up here to even take a reference run is around 7,800. That's a $700 move per coin times, don't forget, your 5 coins per contract. It's a $3,500 move in Bitcoin. Are you keeping track of all this? This is just this week. So if you don't think we're going to be active in Bitcoin, you're nuts. Come join us. This is going to be good stuff. So tomorrow I'm going to be talking about it, and then we'll start. At the beginning, it's probably like second week of December. The CME is looking to launch this product as a futures contract. So for 16th November, it's Mark Coe. I hope to see you guys all in the room tomorrow. Cheers.